Hello there, how are you all? Firstly, I would thank all of you for subscribing my videos and giving me a good opportunity to share my knowledge with you. So, today I have come up with a very interesting topic, body language. We have done a video earlier on this, and in case if you have missed it, I'm giving the link in the description. Today, I'm going to share with you three superpowers of body language. It will be easy for you to keep in mind if I say they are the three S of body language. If you are able to take control of these things, then these things will help you to take control of the situation around you. Or you can say everything will remain in your control. So, without any delay, let us start and see what are these three S which are going to help you to take control of the situation. I call it 3S. The name is given 3S so that it becomes simple for you to remember. So the 3S, first S stands for slow down. Slow down while you talk, slow down while you walk, slow down when you're thinking, slow down in every activity if you are rushing or being very hard on yourself. While we're taking care of many situations around, it happens that we are in so much rush that we somewhere lose many things in and around us. We forget or we miss on many observations around. We miss to read between the lines. We miss to convey our messages, and there are many more things. So just slow down. That will help you to gather yourself. In the day to day rush, we are missing on many things because of our speed, or say because of our routine activity. We are just pushed by it. Talking very fast doesn't help you if the person in front of you is really able to understand what you're saying. Walking very fast doesn't really speed you up, but you're losing many things behind. Like early morning, when we are in rush, it happens that we are rushing to office, and in that rush, in that speeding up yourself, we miss on many things. Then we just stop for a while and think, oh, I forgot my wallet, oh, I forgot my laptop, oh, I forgot my notes, oh, I did not pick up the key, and many small things. Actually, this leads to absent-mindedness. Avoid all these things. It is very essential that we slow down. We slow down the way we walk, the way we talk, the way we eat, the way we look, or the way we gather ourselves. So, to avoid the absent mindedness, it is very essential that you slow down, and then it reflects in your personality. It shows that you are a person made of substance, because then your activity or your way of talking reflects that you think before you talk, walk, say, eat, like you're giving it a thought. Or you can say that makes people believe in you because they understand that you are doing things consciously. So this was about the first superpower, slow down. Now let us talk about the second superpower. The second S stands for silence. Here you may have a big question mark thinking silence. How can it be a superpower? Right? Because silence is no communication, silence is no word. Let us understand it the other way. Silence indicates that you are a thoughtful person. Silence means when a person is talking to you, you are sitting in silence, making him feel or making him realize that you are listening to him, and which is very important skill. So somewhere you're satisfying the person to whom you are listening to. His needs are satisfied by means of you listening to him or just giving him some time to be heard, which obviously every person wants to be. Now you may think that if it is beneficial for the other person, why should we do it? No, it's beneficial for us as well, because when you are in silence, when you're hearing to the person, you take time to process the things that you're listening. You take time to observe the things that are around you. So, silence adds to your knowledge, it makes you confident. Now, let us also understand that silence is a very important tool. It is a very crucial tool. Successful people have it. If you really look at some successful people, you will see that they talk less, they listen more, and they are basically known for the silence that they maintain, the time appreciation, and the listening skills that they have. If you want to try, you can have a look on those confident celebrities or confident leaders. and you will realize the importance of silence. Let us get back to the third S. We have seen the two S. First one is slow down, and second one is silence. Let us talk about the third one. Third one is smile. Smile is a very important expression on our face. It is one of the very important expressions in body language. I'm very sure you all know that smile connects. Yes, if at all you give a smile to any person with whom you are not really having a verbal communication, it connects you to each other. Of course, smile makes us comfortable, and the person who's smiling at us comfortable, it opens up the way of discussion or it opens up the way to communicate. Now, let us also understand that the body gives different signs to the brain. In various situations, our body gives different signals to our brain, and the brain understands how much the situation is in control. So now that we are implementing this 3S, we are sitting in the right posture, we are smiling, we are silent, we are observing someone, listening someone, and we have slowed down. We are gathering ourselves. Then the brain gets the message from the body that things are in control. It may be difficult at times to control your mind. But once you have got the control of your body, the brain gets activated and the brain understands that everything is in control and the master is really taking care of the situation. So in any of the situation, when this all three things come together, your brain gets the message. Ultimately, something that reflects from your body is your confidence. So, whenever you're going for an interview, you are going for any personal work, any new deal, or even if you're going for marriage proposal or so, if you have these three things in control, no one can beat your confidence. No one can beat the way you reflect your confidence on your face. You will observe that it will automatically happen that all information will come your way. If you're just smiling and looking at a person, then the person keeps on giving you more and more information. You can try this, and I'm very sure you will get more information than which you would try to dig out if you are talking to the person. So, just smiling, being at silent, and looking at the person will help you dig more and more information. So, guys, it is not always being fast, being faster, talking a lot, or just being more busy in your work doesn't really help. So just try this 3S and definitely it will give more impact on the situation and people around you. You will get more information and this is the best beginning you can do. Start with implementing these things in your personal as well as in your professional life. And I'm very sure it will give a good impact rather than going to a client and continuously talking and trying to just impress him. Just keep a smile, be silent, and do not rush. Take your time to observe things, understand things, and probably the client may come up sharing all his expectations with you to give him the right product. So try and implement it. I'm very sure this is going to help you out. So these were the three magical superpowers S3S, which are definitely going to reflect maximum confidence in your body language. If at all you want to take things in control, do not forget this 3S. First one is slow down, second is silence, and third one is smile. So maintain this 3S and take things in control. Thank you very much for staying with me till the end of this video. Implement this. Do let me know how it helped you out. And of course, if you are watching my video for the very first time or you're one of those who have not subscribed my channel, please go ahead and subscribe it for many informational videos on various topics. I hope you like the video. Do not forget to like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.